channel Let's Make It Lovely. First of all, I want to thank each one of you for all the love and support. Our channel Let's Make It Lovely has recently reached 50k subscribers, so thank you so much. Before starting today's video, I would like to share two amazing cultural products started by mompreneurs here in USA. First one is this beautiful Rangoli floor puzzle from Culture Khazana. That's a fun, mess-free Rangoli any kid would love making. I will add product links and discount codes in description box below the video. Please check them if you are interested. Second is this adorable God soft toys from Ish Dolls that are perfect to bring culture to kids in a fun, natural way. Now let's get started with today's beautiful candlelight backdrop. I'm using a rectangle shaped cardboard box that measures about 28 inches long and 22 inches wide. Using a metal ruler and X-Acto knife, I'm cutting out 4 1-inch thick cardboard pieces that are 22 inches long. Use a cutting mat underneath to protect your surface. Next, similarly, I cut out 4 1-inch thick pieces of 28 inches cardboard. I'm sticking 2 pieces of cardboard together with hot glue to make them stronger. Now I have two 28-inch pieces and two 22-inch pieces. Now I lay the 4 pieces to form a rectangle and I stuck the corner joints with hot glue. Using a measuring scale and pencil, I marked the cardboard frame at equal distance, that is approximately at every 5 inches. I did the markings on all the 4 sides of the frame. Next, I'm using these long bamboo skewers. These cost less than $1 at Walmart. You can also find them at Dollar Tree. In India, if you cannot find wood sticks like this, then you can make paper sticks out of newspaper or brown wrapping paper. Take a 2-inch thick long newspaper or brown paper and roll it around any one stick or metal wire that you find. Roll it tightly and keep going until you reach the end. Because we are going to use only LED candles, it will work without any problem. Stick it with regular glue and gently pull out the stick. The paper stick is ready. You would need to make approximately 16 of them at different sizes. Because I have bamboo skewers on hand, I'm going to use them for the rest of the process. I placed the sticks on the frame as shown here along the markings, and then I marked the excess length of the skewers with a pencil. Do this with all the sticks. Now using a utility knife or X-Acto knife, carefully cut around the marking. After you cut it a little all around the stick, you can easily snap it with your hands. If you are using paper sticks, they can be cut easily with scissors. Now arrange the sticks on the frame. You can use the pieces that are cut from one stick in another place as shown here. I used only 10 skewers for this frame. Next, I stuck all the sticks using hot glue. If you are using paper sticks, then you can use regular glue for the entire process. Repeat the process of marking, cutting, and then gluing the sticks on the other side. When sticking the sticks on the other side, I stuck them at both ends and anywhere in the middle joints if I felt it was necessary. This step is optional, but I cut out two 22-inch pieces and two 28-inch pieces to stick on top for neat finish, but you could just turn it around and leave it at the back as well. I used hot glue to finish this process. Next, I painted the cardboard with gold spray paint that I had on hand. You can use acrylic paint with paintbrush as well. While spray painting, always protect the surface underneath with a cardboard or paper. Next, I took my plain LED candles and stuck gold color lace around them. You can choose any color you like. You can also use color papers or fabric to decorate the candles. You can also add kundans to make them more beautiful. Next, I cut out a thin strip of cardboard and cut them as wide as candles. Next, I stuck these cardboard pieces along the stick joints with hot glue as shown here. Always handle the hot glue with care. I did not paint these cardboard pieces as anyway they'll be covered by candles and are not visible. Now for the simple backdrop setup, I used red color satin cloth I had on hand and I added my handmade toran. If you want details on how to hang the cloth, check out my video on how to make a simple backdrop stand. Now using a piece of double-sided tape at the bottom of LED candles, I stuck them on little cardboard pieces that I attached earlier. Make sure you leave the LED switch towards front of the frame for easy on and off. I used a white fabric flower garland I have and stuck it at the top of the frame with a regular tape. I twisted it a little to make it look fuller. Next, I added yellow marigold garlands and white flower garlands I have. Add a string of LED lights for more festive look. Next, I placed a puja asan and diyas to finish the look. Light all the candles and enjoy this divine decor. It looks very beautiful in the evening light. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to check out my other beautiful Diwali decor videos. Links are all in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. If you are on Instagram, please follow me for more festive updates. Thank you.